We are reviewing the MSI Gaming Trio RTX 5070 Ti model. Welcome to our brand new video, everyone. I am Ansel. We are here to produce more new content for you. Now, in recent days, the 5000 series was released and companies have introduced it to us. Together with you, today, we will review the RTX 5070 Ti series of the MSI brand's Gaming Trio model. Now, for those who don't know, first of all, yes. What are the 5000 series currently available? 5070, 5070 Ti, 5080, and 5090. The 5060 has not been released yet, and there is no information on when it will be released right now. Let's move on to the unboxing. Come on. Now, first of all, when we look at the box, we are greeted by the visual of the graphics card itself. Here, instead of a matte finish, a glossy one has been used. There is a very high quality steel that looks like a sticker, as if it's been pasted on. The color tone is very harmonious. The name of our model is already written here, 572 that is. Then I say, oh, if you look here, 16 GB. The part it occupies is 7 GB. The box provides you with information everywhere. You can already see all the information on the back side. I will roughly measure its diameter by hand. 20, 40, about 5. About 30 here as well. Some people place a lot of importance on graphics card boxes because they place them visually at the back to make it look nice. This card really looks like you can take it out of the box and use it as a background. I'll say it right away from here. Let's open these parts. Let me turn it towards you. First, it meets the protective surface. Normal. Here, we have our support apparatus. When we attach it, it is to carry the weight. You can adjust its height as you wish. And the card itself is here. But is there something else before that? Here are the documents that no one reads. User manual. It seems like there's absolutely nothing else to discuss. Exactly, that's all. Maybe a gift? They've put something like that. But no, there isn't. Let's carefully open our packaging from here now, please. Look, let me show you like this. Immediately, our 3 fans greet us here. For those who love RGB, there's an RGB strip crossing diagonally here. 3 of them. When I say 1, I mean 3. Row. MSI has also considered those who love RGB. It is a model that supports overclocking. You can go to MSI Center to control the RGB lights. If your case, like mine, has an MSI branded motherboard, it will work completely compatible with the case. The RGB lights. You can also adjust your overclock settings as you wish via Afterburner. Right here, we see the PCI Express 5.0 slot. If your motherboard is 4.0, don't worry, it works with that too. Then we have 3 DVI and one HDMI input. Our power input is 300 watts, 16 pin. We see the input right above it. Here, we can switch between performance mode and silent mode. If we look at the back, we see metal, a layer, and MSI's own logo here. Now let's move on to the information section about the card. CUDA Core's 8960. Our memory speed is 28 gigabits. Our memory is 16 gigabits. GDR7. Our memory is 256-bit. Power consumption is 300 watts, 16 pin, and the recommended PSU is 750 watts. Our core is at 2580 MHz in extreme performance, 2572 MHz in boost mode. We can see all.
Right above us, there are 3 fans with StoneFroze technology. 7. Right behind the fan, we can see our copper cooling system. But right behind it, the card where our client is located is visible. And right behind that, we have our metal backplate. With the 5000 series Reflex 2 has entered our lives. Along with the 5000 series graphics cards, we have also seen DLSS 4. With DLSS 4, we increased FPS in games and reduced latency. And you really feel a difference in the texture of the image quality. So, did only DLSS 4 enter your life with this card? No. Of course, ray tracing, that is heat. We have seen it in a more advanced form of tracking technology. In this card, we harness the power of artificial intelligence, allowing us to enjoy DLSS 4 and ray tracing plus Reflex 2 technology. When we open MSI Center, look, as you can see, we see our graphics card here. Here. All the settings for the RGB of our graphics card can be seen here. Then, for example, only the RGB of the graphics card works. If you are using an MSI motherboard, when we click on the screen, as you can see, it became a web stick. And now, our fans, RAMs, and graphics card will rotate in the same cycle. On the MSI sector, if you know, it's the cooling, true color, LAN settings. You can also do many options from here. MSI. If via Afterburner, we can control our fan, overclock our graphics card, adjust the voltage settings. We can make all the settings of the graphics card from here. If you want to see FPS, you can check what you want to see from the monitoring settings here and say show OSD. And you can control it on the left or right side through Riva Tuner. When you install MSI, Afterburner, Riva comes with it. Alongside, if you have an RTX and a graphics card, you can eliminate echo and noise from your microphone via NVIDIA Broadcast. In the video section, you can blur, change, or even completely remove the background. Again, here you can adjust eye contact, noise cancellation, and more. You can set all 100 of these from here.
Now let's move on to the game tests. How many FPS do we get with these? All these tests were conducted at 2K resolution with ultra settings. In PDR, 2 at minimum settings. We got a minimum of 43, a maximum of 204, and an average of 140 FPS with the card temperature at 50 degrees and 220 watts. Cyberpunk. In 2077, minimum 275, maximum 400 FPS, power consumption 230W, card temperature 48 degrees. In Marvel Rebels, we got a minimum of 190, average of 230, maximum of 250 FPS. Our power consumption 215W, temperature 55 degrees. In CS2, since it doesn't strain the card much, minimum 340, average 510, maximum 680 FPS. Temperature is around 40 degrees, between 38-40 degrees. In Call of Duty Black Ops 6, minimum at 1 is 95. Minimum at 5 is 115. Average 215 FPS. Power consumption 198 watts. Temperature 58 degrees. It can truly be recommended to those who want to buy it. What does it mean for the car to get tired? It doesn't know. Could it have been a muscle power? It could have been muscle power, of course, but NVIDIA has already said that the other sound is enough for this. There is a disagreement between a company and players on this matter. Currently active. I was using the MSI brand's Ventus 2X Web 3060 series again. With this card, we have now moved to the 5070T series. May it be beneficial for all of us. After watching the video, if you liked it and subscribed, I love you all. See you in new videos. Goodbye.